Hi, this is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle, and today we're going to talk about OptimizePress and how I use it in blog posts. So what I'm going to do is click on an existing blog post to edit it. So this is what you see on the website. Okay, so when it says share this, using OptimizePress, I added those social media buttons, and I was also able to add the YouTube video with OptimizePress. And again, the share buttons I was able to add using OptimizePress. And the most important part, this email collector on the bottom. On the bottom, I'm able to add this with the title, the subtitle, and it automatically integrates with my Aweber account, which we'll go over later. Okay, so now, from the WordPress dashboard, this is what it will look like. It's all in HTML. But you don't need to know the HTML. All you have to do is click on the button Add Element. And these are all the elements that OptimizePress gives you. You can add a column text, which adds 2 columns of text, each 50% of width, to an existing column of your page layout. Affiliate page snippet. Provide code for banners and other elements that you want your affiliates to use for promoting your products or services. Arrows. Use arrows on your site to highlight areas of important information or to help funnel your visitors' eyes to a particular area or element of the page. Audio player. Use the audio player to include audio on your page. Bullet block. Use bullet blocks or lists to break down bulky information into readable chunks. Use buttons on your page for calls to actions or to aid navigation throughout your website. Calendar date and time. Content toggle. Use this element to keep lengthy content organized on the page. Countdown timer. Course description box. Insert a box showing the title and the description of your membership course or product and include an icon. Divider. Choose from a range of dividing lines and graphics to insert into your page. Dynamic date. Feature block. Use this element to highlight particular features of your product or service. Feature box. Insert a stylized content box onto your page. And you get the point. OptimizePress has all of these elements that you can include in your blog post, and it makes it just 100 times easier, so you don't need to know HTML in order to have a great website. And from the Optimize website, you'll see that OptimizePress allows you to create sales pages, converting landing pages, membership portals, complete launch funnels, and authority blog websites. So if you were to add OptimizePress, you'll click on the package, and depending on how many websites you run, I just bought the core package for a one-time fee of $97. And when you click Order Now, you'll enter in your billing information, and you'll pay for the product. In exchange, they'll give you a zip file to download, and you'll upload it onto your plugins page on your WordPress dashboard. Once you've uploaded it to WordPress, activate the plugin, and you'll have all of these features available to you at your fingertips for you to use on blog posts. Thank you so much. This has been Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle.